Abu Umama narrated that a man said, O Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, what are the rights of parents over their child? He said, they are your paradise and your hell. Ibn Abbas said, if any Muslim obeys Allah regarding his parents, Allah will open two gates of the garden for him. If there is only one parent, then one gate will be opened. If one of them is angry, then Allah will not be pleased with him until that parent is pleased with him. He was asked, even if they wrong him? Even if they wrong him, he replied,